Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to grab a good domain name or buy a good domain name or even brainstorm a good domain name. We will start the video with finding out the traditional way how the domains were checked or booked, and then we will use ChatGPT to make changes in the prompt so that you can have it your way and you can find out the best domain you want. So why should you listen to me? Well, I have been dealing in domain names, as you can see on the screen. This is my domain profile. Most of them are client domains or my domains, which I have sold and repurchased as well. So let's get started. So the older way is you go to Google, you type in business name generator, and then you maybe search for Luca or something. But I have a typical website I used to use. Yes, this one. So here you go and you give it a name or a type or a product name or whatever your domain is going to be, or the subject of the domain, and then it suggests most of the name. Now there's nothing wrong with this approach. So let's see how it's done. So here let's consider we have to make a website about minimalism. So in that website we are going to provide information about minimalism, and we will of course suggest some minimalistic products so that we can have a revenue stream open, which will be kind of a affiliate website or a blog. So let's get started with that. So I will just type the word minimalistic or minimalist for that matter. I want my domain name to be minimalist. So what it does, it gives you the idea of how a domain name should be or what domain name sounds better. So it gives you all at once. There are certain filters as well, like one word before and after or rhyming. So let's click on the rhyming and let's click on apply. So you see it's like minimalist mark, minimalist monkey. So now the problem here is, if you like this one, say minimalist mark, it will show that it's available for registration, and then you can go ahead and register it. So this is also a good way. There is nothing wrong with this. But if you use ChatGPT, we can give some more parameters, and those parameters work like 80-85% of the time efficiently. So let's see how it's done in the ChatGPT. So here I am in my desktop application of ChatGPT. Let's click a new chat and let me show you something. So this is the prompt I have devised to use for the domain names. So this prompt has 4 or 5 things distributed in it. The first thing is suggest a good SEO domain name, then which contains the word minimalist. Here you can put in your own word, whichever you want. Then you have to mention that the domain name will be used to provide minimalist information and product suggestions. It will be an affiliate website, so I'm giving it a pointer that what kind of website it's going to be. Then domain name should not be blacklisted or banned. This is trial and error, this particular thing, that it confirms that if the domain was booked earlier, it may have some problem with it, but it may check this. And this is the main part. Please keep the domain name short and catchy, and human should be able to remember it easily, so that it generates something rhyming as well as something interesting. And if you want to move ahead and edit this prompt, you can edit it based on your requirements, or maybe you have 3 more ideas to put into. You can certainly add it here, not here, before this. So I'm just holding it. If it understands, if it does not understand, then it won't generate it. So this prompt works on ChatGPT 3.5 and 4 as well. 4 tends to give you more realistic or more newness to your query, and 3 gives you a bit older approach, because 3 is only trained on the 2021 data. So I've pasted in the prompt. Let's press enter. Let's see what it comes up with. So as you can see, by default it generates a list of like 10 domain names. So for example, you like some of these but you want something more. So now you can start making changes to the existing prompt. So let me show you, or you can type in the changes here. So let me show you with the existing prompt. You can go here and you can type in, please keep the name short, catchy, and make it peppy. Let's see what it does this time. Now the thing is, if you edit the prompt, these names will vanish. So we'll just keep it for the sake of it. So let's keep it here. So let's save and submit again. Let's see what it does this time. So it mostly generates the same names. So it's a lot of trial and error. Simply minimalistic. Most of them are repeated kind of. So this is one way. Or use add verbs and rewrite. Okay, it does not understand this, so let's edit the prompt again. Or I wanted to show you how this can be done in this. Write 10 more, making them a bit modern and innovative. So it has now used the word modern. See, these are the small mistake it does. Sometimes it checks for Cisco and that, and also it gives you the warning that make sure to conduct a search that whether the website and trademark issues are done or not. I've tested it with the trademark thing, it doesn't work. So let's see. So we like, so let's make a list of this, and these are the other 10 I have. So say you have got all these domains, so before finalizing on something, always go ahead and search, copy these completely and go on to the website here and search for, go on to the website and domain search. I am on the dyna.com. I'm always buying the domains from this, all the domains from this website. They are not sponsoring me. This is regarding the price thing, because if you buy it from GoDaddy and if your domain gets famous or has the potential to make more money, they start charging you more and more amount for every renewal. So that is a problem with them. So that's the reason I've stopped using them, or any other service provider for that matter. Yeah, of course, if these people also start doing it, then there is no turnaround. But yeah, till the time. So I'll just clear I want in.com and I'll just click on search. So now you will see these are the only ones which are available, and now you can shortlist the one which you like based on the availability. If not, you can just again start searching on ChatGPT. Let's say create 10 more and make them influential. I think the spelling is incorrect. Yeah, it's TIL. You see, now it becomes elite minimalistic. So this is the, like, you can use these words. I think they're called adverbs. I'm not that good with the grammar, so you can use these kind of prompts to get the best domain name you want. And the limitation with this is there are two kinds of limitations that they are, you cannot check the patent or a copyright with the prompt, because the data which it has until 2021. And the second thing is it is making mistakes since March 23. They have also a warning on the portal itself that it may not be apt or correct. So yeah, but the way it does this, at least the names, it's easier rather than the traditional approach. So I hope I've helped you in this video. If you like it or you have any suggestion on the topics, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.